Hello guys, you can see that एक बर्ड कैसे एक स्प्रिंग के इकोसिस्टम का पार्ट है और कैसे उसने अभी पानी पिया. ठीक है, यू कैन सी द अदर बर्ड एज वेल. ठीक है, आप ध्यान से देख सकते हैं. लाइक जो पहली बर्ड थी वो आई, उसने स्प्रिंग से पानी पिया. ठीक है, इस स्प्रिंग का नाम है चूड़ाधार, जो कि बुडोगी गांव, चंबा ब्लॉक, टेहरी गढ़वाल में आता है. तो उसकी चूड़ाधार स्प्रिंग के पास आज हम लोग वाटर क्वालिटी टेस्ट कर रहे हैं. एंड यू कैन सी दैट कि हाउ अ बर्ड केम एंड द बर्ड फेच द वाटर. ठीक है, शी हैड द वाटर. ओके, जय हिंद एवरीवन, दिस इज गौरव Gauri, and today I am in Budogi village of the Chamba block of Tehri Garhwal. You can see me in the small screen, but in the big screen I want to show you the big issue, that is the forest fire. Let me enlarge. Okay, I cannot do that. So I'll show you. I have one of the examples that what does forest fire do. If you can see that, you can see some black mark. Can you see these black marks? Yeah, on the stem of this tree. You know what happens? Generally, the wildfires or the forest fires, they are not able to catch up the crown of the trees. They are not able to catch up the crown of the trees. But what do? They kill the bottom, the connecting part of the stem to the ground, the roots. They kill them, they burn them, and it doesn't allow trees to grow a lot, and it is harmful for our environment as well, because as you can see that it is an oak forest. Okay, it is a oak forest, and somehow the conditions are like that. If we are not able to save our oak forest, we will be losing groundwater so rapidly, and we cannot even imagine that how much drastic situations can be if we will lose our springs, which are the validation of the groundwater, the existence of groundwater in the Indian Himalayan region. So we should control, anyhow we are supposed to control the forest fires, especially in Himalayan region. Thank you. Jai Hind. See you again.